Welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Today we are going to learn about fruits name in English. Apple, mango, banana, orange, papaya, peach, plum, pomegranate, kiwi, strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, blackberry, guava, pineapple, custard apple, cherry, lychee, sapodilla, jujube, date, coconut, lemon, lime, watermelon, muskmelon, sugarcane, grapes, black currant, red currant, jamun, star fruit, mulberry, fig, apricot, durian, dragon fruit, passion fruit, jackfruit, quince, rambutan, mangosteen, kiwano, grapefruit, persimmon, longan, salak, olive, gooseberry, egg fruit, breadfruit, rose apple, tamarind. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more educational videos.